Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We're coming to you from a different location, and it's all because of the guy on his phone right there. Say hi to Randy. Yep, of course, this is Randy from AAR. He got us in to the South Dallas Copart auctions, and take a look at all the cars. Take a look at all these crazy cars. We're going to show you a couple in this video that you may not have seen before. You really have to be kidding me, right? See all the little pistons? All right, it looks like snow. That's hail, folks. Rolls Royce Dawn. Oh my goodness, why is my life so fun? Come on, car, you're floored. I'm flooring a V12 engine. You thought this was gonna be perfect, right? Why can't I, fall in love with a Lexus? Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Yeah, when's the last time you saw a three-wheel car? Yes, this is a very cool car. This is the Vanderhall Carmel, and I love it. I really do. You just don't see these, and I know nothing about them. I just thought it would be cool to kind of check it out and see what she looks like, and we were going to try to take her for a little spin, but we have an issue. We're missing part of the wheel right there, so spins are out. She has a little bit of damage, but this is all plastic. The whole thing is plastic. I don't even know if you open the doors. Let's just kind of see what happens. Do you just hop in? I guess you just hop in. Yeah? Well, let's do it. Let's just kind of see. This is really awkward. How does it? Oh, look. Let's do it the right way then. I don't know how to get in this thing. Here we go. Look at that. And there's a cup holder. Look at this. Okay. Oh. This is like a go-kart. Check it out. Something just fell on my leg. Okay, we closed the door, and the speaker cover just came off. We'll put that back. We'll put it back like it never happened. Oh, the whole speaker's loose. The whole thing is loose. That's okay. Check her out. Look at this. Okay, you have all the little instruments that you need. RPM, speed, gear. Oh, look at this. RN 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. And here's your selector. You have paddle shifters here. This must be your radio with Pandora. Thank you very much. And look at the rake of the windshield. Wow. This is pretty cool. It's kind of scary too at the same time. What do you do? How do you do this? Stereo, cruise, reserve, TC, hazard, and a start and a stop. Yeah. She's not doing very much at all, Randy.
Excuse me, sir. Did you call AAA?
Why, yes, I did. Thank you.
Sure thing.
My Neverlander, or what is this thing called? Vanderhall?
We can only provide one service at a time, so we have to call again for another service. Would you like us to repair your flat tire or jumpstart your vehicle?
We need to jumpstart the vehicle.
Okay, sure.
But we can't, I don't know how to start it. Look at the little bitty, oh, what is this? Here. I got to pull. Look at the hood. Is there even an engine in there?
Yeah.
You get a charging port here.
Something in here.
Wow. Okay. I really don't know how to, and there's something crawling on my leg. Okay. There, see, it comes off. Every time you open the door, the speaker comes off. Okay.
Sir, where's your battery?
I have no idea.
That makes two of us.
I have, I don't know how, pull that strap. Watch that. Isn't that cool?
These are like 50 grand, aren't they?
I don't know. They're whatever they are. These are crazy. Yeah, she's not going to do anything. Oh well, because there's no. Why would you put just this thing on it like this? Whatever's on my leg needs to get off. Yeah, she's not going to do anything. Cruise, traction control, hazards. This has a boost gauge.
Yeah, I was going to say it's turbocharged.
Yeah.
All I need is the red wire. If I can find it, find the red wire, we'll be good to go.
Oh, goodness.
Hold on.
Look at that.
I think I can do this with the alternator.
Okay. So the engine is going this way.
Yeah.
Wow. 0W20. I don't want to blow anything up.
We're not going to blow anything up. This thing is crazy hard to.
Your battery booster weighs as much as the engine, probably.
Yeah. There we go.
We should count the number of starts we get out of your Noco Boost Max.
It'll be starting all day.
All day?
There you go. Make sure it ain't in gear.
Well, let's see. That all the way up.
Yep, you're good.
Just push the button? No. There's got to be a key or
Yeah, there's
something.
supposed to be a key.
There's
Like
nothing on
the
this.
transponder key. Are you serious?
There's nothing on it. Oh, well, that just broke. Well, we tried. Okay, there's nothing, yeah. Well.
That's disappointing.
Okay, next car. Now for something completely different. Yeah, we're going from 3 wheels and basics to 4 wheels and luxury. What is this, a 2014 Land Rover Range Rover? Yep, in black. We have a little bit of a squatting issue right there. I've always just wanted to see the inside of these things because they're gorgeous. Look at the paint from the outside. That's gorgeous. And look, oh, this is huge.
That's what she said.
Look, yeah. Look how much room. Wow. Mikey loves this. We may have a bit of a cooling issue though, because you get antifreeze when you buy this. You get a bottle of antifreeze, which is fine. Look at that though. Stay. Oh, you can do your shades. Look at this. Would you drive this?
Oh, I would drive this. You missed something behind your head, though.
What's behind my head?
I don't know. It's a big gold bottle.
Oh, okay, because I got one right here too. You get all kinds of coolant. This one's empty. We may have a bit of an issue then.
There's a problem.
Woo! Okay. Look at the wheels though. I love these. I just really, really love them. Okay, very quickly, let's just see what's going to happen. Low battery. Please start engine. But there's... Smart key not found. Strike 2!
Oh, it says right on the windshield, no keys. And on the door, no keys.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Well, why did I pick this one then? I just wanted to see what it looked like on the inside. Wow. Okay, so Mikey's striking out. He comes to Dallas with Randy. And the cars he chooses don't have keys. But look at this, though. Look at how nice this thing is. I love the black and the white. And the seats are comfortable. And this is perhaps one of my favorite features right there. Because you can adjust. See how that's going up? Yeah, you can adjust. It's just the perfect fit. You can go down or up. And then that's where it goes. So no matter how tall or how short you are, your right arm is comfy. It's beautiful. Very quickly, let's just look at this one. There it is. Supercharged. Yes, sir. Now, is there going to be any coolant? Or is it going to be empty? It's empty. Well, now we know why she's here. Yeah, that's sad. That is really, really sad. We'll close this up just like we found it, and doggone it. Yep, okay, that's gonna do it for this car. Look how beautiful. Even has the big screens for the windows. Yep, okay. Well, how about them apples? Yep, we tried 2 vehicles and nothing worked out. We came all the way to Dallas and Mike chose the 2 worst cars out of all of the cars on the lot. Look at all these. Every other car probably has a key. Yeah, but not this one. Not too shabby. All right, thanks to everybody here at Copart. Of course, thanks to Randy at AAR, who's still enthralled with the Vanderhall.
I like it.
He loves it. He hates it. He really hates it. All right, folks, that's another video. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and come back for another one. We'll see you soon. Bye.